install for the 19 rsv4 factory, the Sprint race filter. So get to it. So with this bike, you gotta take off side carbon fiber pieces. There's 2 screws underneath the seat, and of course the tail. So this is what it looks like underneath the seat. These are your 2 seat bolts. Now you just got to undo the 3 bolts here for both sides of your carbon fiber pieces, and then these 2 bolts here for your tank. So next, after removing the 3 tank bolts, pull your tank up. I just prop mine up. Remove the hoses to those 2 spots. Those 2 hoses, and on that side is your fuel line. You're gonna disconnect that and put a rag over there because fuel will probably drip out. After disconnecting that fuel line, I just prop my tank up. Some people take it off. Now here's your air box. And remove all these damn screws. There's about 17,403 of these, and it should give you access to the top of your air box. Some in there on the other side. So let's get to that. So after you get all the screws off, you disconnect this connector here, and it should pull right up. And there we have it. It's the inside. And here is the air filter, the stock one. So here's the air filter. It's a DNA. I'm in my garage, so, but you can see that's what it looks like in the light. And let me grab the Sprint. Here's the Sprint filter, just holding it up right there. You can clearly see a huge difference in airflow between the 2. Sit them down, and this is what they look like. I can see through the Sprint on the stool. The DNA filter, I cannot. Pretty simple install, reverse the process. So to put the Sprint filter in, you just slide right into those grooves right there. No hassle. Again, there's the inside of the air box. And all you're doing now is reversing the process, putting it back together. So next, just make sure you line your box up really well. Make sure all the holes align. And then also, don't forget to connect the connector right here. So after you put all your screws back in, make sure that that line's connected. This line's connected. Then come over. Don't forget to connect these 2 lines. You should be good to go. And after that, your 2 tank bolts here, and 1 there, and the rest is your fairing bolts. So hit you back in a second. Tank bolts back on. The big one here, here, and here. I forgot to mention on this side, make sure that you don't get your fuel line kinked up or anything. So next, your 2 bolts here for your seat. For your sides, you have here, here, and the carbon piece just slides right into there on both sides. Put the seats back on, and you should be good to go. Alright, got the bike back together. Back seat is on. Seat, side carbon pieces. It's a pretty quick and easy install. Let's check it out. Turn it on. Neutral. Like I said, pretty simple install, pretty quick, pretty easy. So let's get off for a ride here soon. All right, later.